Welcome to A2ZKnowledge.com. So today what we are going to see is all about various if statements in shell script. So now I'm going to show you the first type, a simple if statement. So I've just declared a variable. So this is a variable and I'm giving a value for it. And now I'm writing an if statement that starts with a keyword if, then you have to enclose a square bracket. So I'm referring the variable. In shell script you have to use the variable with dollar symbol, then it is equivalent to that you are calling a variable. So whenever you call a variable you have to use a dollar symbol. Then I'm just applying a condition. -eq is I'm checking whether it is equal or not. Okay, that is whether I'm checking it is equal. So now 100. So it's a value which I'm giving. I'm hard coding it. It's a value. So if count equals 100, then it has to print count is 100. Then close loop of if is in shell script it is f5. Okay, opposite of if. So echo is a statement to print. Like in C we have printf, in Java we have system.out.println. Such a way in shell script we have echo statement. Now I am gonna run this code. If I run this shell script, I have to get count is 100. So I will just open my terminal. And currently these files are stored under a directory called shell script, so I just changed my directory to shell script. Now I'm going to run this sh space. I just put an ls here where you can see all my list of shell scripts are present here. So in this I'm going to run sh space simple if.sh. It's a file name. You can see the top, the file name. Enter. So now it says count is 100. So now it's a very simple if statement. There is no else in this. Just if the condition matches, then it has to print. That's it. Now we are going to see the next level of if. That is if then else if. You can see in top I have written, it's a comment statement. Whenever in shell script if you give some hash, then it is commented line. Now here I declared count variable as 99. Then I am writing a condition if I am calling the variable count equals 100, then it has to print count is 100. Else if it is not, so if you see the given value 99 is not equal to 100, right? So else it has to print count is not 100, and then I have to close my if loop. So now I am going to run sh space if2.sh, the file name. Now if I execute it, I am getting count is not 100 because it is 99, right? So now I just remove this 99 and I just give 100. Okay, so now I will clear my terminal. Now if I run it, it has to give count is 100. Yes, count is 100 now. Okay, so I will just revert it back to 99. Okay, now the next level of if. The first level is just if. Now we are seeing if then else if. Now we are moving on to the next type of if statement, that is if elif else if. Okay, so I'm going to show you what exactly elif is. Now I declared a variable as 99, same like whatever we did in the previous program. If I'm calling a variable count is equals to 100, then it has to print count is 100. What I'm doing is I'm writing in one more, that is else if. You can write else if or elif. So elif count greater than 100. Now you have to check two conditions. So if it is one condition, then we can just put else and we can complete. But now I have to write two conditions. Okay. So on that condition, I am writing within my if. So I am writing this elif within my if. So now elif, that is else if or elif, dollar count greater than 100, then it has to print count is greater than 100, else it has to print count is less than 100. So now I will just run this if 3.sh. Now I am getting as count is less than 100. Let us see here count is 99. Now here it is not going to match. Okay, so then it doesn't print, it will never get into this statement count is 100. So then else, it comes to else part, because here my 99 is doesn't match with 100. When it comes to else if, again I am checking in one more condition whether the count 99 is greater than 100. Okay, so it comes to else because the given value is not greater than 100. It finally comes to an else statement where count is less than 100 is what. So this is, I'm kind of using Elif. Now I'm going to show you the one more way, the last way, that is if then else if then if. If you see here, instead of writing it as else if Elif, I'm just giving else and then again I'm writing an if loop. So kind of a nested if I'm writing. So here if count equals to 100, then it has to say count is 100, but obviously here it is 99, it will never satisfy the case. Now it comes to else part, and again I'm checking one more condition. If count greater than 100, then it has to print count is greater than 100, but still here it is less than. The difference between these two programs, if you see, I will just show you. So here we are using elif, here it is else if, and that is the difference. So if you want to use else if or elif, you can use anything as you wish. Okay, but there is some syntax which we have something as elif. That's why I'm just showing you both the case. But if 3.sh and 4.sh is same, and it is going to produce the same output. Okay, so I will just move back to the save view. Now we have to run the fourth. So if f4 dot sorry sh if 4 dot sh, so count is less than 100, obviously it is less than 100. So we have these four types of if statement in shell scripts. So here the main agenda of this video is just to show you what are all the various types of if statement we are having. In the next video I will show you what are all the conditions that we can able to give in if. As of now I have just showed you with -eq, and you can see something called -gt. gt means greater than, something like that we have less than, and also you can able to check, for example, if you're writing an file read or file write, you can check whether the file is empty or not. We have many conditions are there. In the next video I will show you all the list of conditions that which you can include in the if statement. So thanks for watching A to Z knowledge.com. If you really like this video, subscribe my channel and forward this to your friends and colleagues. We provide videos in two languages, English and Tamil, and many technology videos are there, including Android, cloud computing, Java, Python, Scala, Ruby. So many videos we are giving. Thanks for watching A to Z knowledge.com.